Hey everyone, Alex here with Sherpa Equipment Company. Today I'm showing you our new mid-height PAK system. This is on a full-size truck here. We also have it for our mid-size trucks as well. The difference there is going to be 3 towers on the full-size, and then we're doing 2 towers on our mid-size. The whole system is very adaptable to different truck beds as far as what it can mount to. This one's on an F-150 here, but you can run this on a Ram, you can run this on a Ford, you can run it on a Chevy. So really cool options there. The same goes for our mid-height Gladiator fitment, Ranger fitment, Tacoma, and a bunch more trucks along those lines. So a lot of adjustability built into this setup with mounting systems for all the different trucks. The main mounting systems you're going to see are clamping the bed rails, and then some have track systems built into the bed, and we'll have different chair brackets that bolt into those track systems on those trucks. So one of the really nice things about running a mid-height system is it allows you to mount a lot of your gear below the height of your cab, and especially if you have a roof rack on your cab as well. But we want to get those tents nice and sleek. It's going to help with your fuel economy, overhead clearance, getting into garages or parking garages, and it's also out on the trail when you got overhead branches and stuff like that. Just out here today, we were being really cautious with this bike sticking up super high. So if this was on a full height bed rack or up on top of the cab, you can imagine that that bike up there would be an issue. So getting your stuff low is super nice, and that's one of the perks of the mid-height system. Diving into construction on our PAK system here, all of our towers are built out of 1/4 inch 5000 series. It's a box design, so really rigid and strong there. And then all of our crossbars are a 3/16 box crossbar. We thought about using extrusion, but through a lot of trial and error, we ended up on these boxed sheet metal crossbars because the strength that we're getting out of them is way better than we were seeing with extrusion. It also gives you a lot of adaptability and modularity as far as bolting things to it. And then all the hardware holding this together is stainless steel carriage bolts. And then we also, on the nut side, we're using nylock nuts. So through a lot of our testing, we've had no issues with hardware coming loose. It's really high quality hardware. It's not going to give you any rusting issues, so it's going to make sure that your bed rack's solid for a long time. With the construction we're using on our PAK system, this is rated with a 400-pound dynamic load rating. So dynamic being bouncing down the trail, driving down the road, and then when you're stopped and set up at camp, you can load up 1,000 pounds on this bed rack system. So whether that's people in a rooftop tent, or you're standing up here with a bunch of buddies and you got some plates on here, whatever it may be, 1,000 pounds static, 400 pounds dynamic. So one of the things we're really excited about with our new PAK system is how much modularity we've built into this system. You pretty much have the ability to mount things anywhere on this system, whether it's on the outside, the inside, up underneath, up on top. Our engineers have been diving into a bunch of different accessories to make it easier to mount third-party accessories and pretty much all your gear. Whether you are out using it for recreation or you're using it for your trade, this bed rack system is going to be really easy to build out. So when you purchase our PAK system, it's going to come in a base configuration. From there, you can upgrade, but the base configuration is going to be 2 of our standard accessory panels. Whether you want to mount those on the side or up on the top is up to you, but from there, you can upgrade. You can buy more accessory panels, whether that's the standard, or you can go to our XL panel, which you see here. The XL panel gives you a lot more real estate to mount accessories. This just gives you the ability to totally kit out your PAK system how you want it to suit your needs.